What is HTML? An introduction to HTML. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is a markup language used to create web pages. It is the standard language used to create websites, and it is an essential tool for web developers. HTML has a rich history that spans over 3 decades. It was first developed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1990 as a way to share information between researchers. The first version of HTML was very basic, with limited functionality, but it quickly gained popularity. In the following years, HTML was continually updated and improved. HTML 2.0 was released in 1995, and it included new features such as tables and forms. HTML 3.0, released in 1996, introduced style sheets and improved support for multimedia content. The most significant update to HTML came in 1999 with the release of HTML 4.0. This version introduced new features such as frames, scripting support, and the ability to embed media content directly into web pages. In 2004, the development of HTML was taken over by the W3C, or World Wide Web Consortium. The W3C developed XHTML, which was an XML-based version of HTML. XHTML was designed to be more strict and more easily machine-readable than HTML. In 2014, the W3C released HTML5, the latest version of HTML. HTML5 includes many new features and improvements, such as video and audio support, canvas and SVG graphics, and better support for mobile devices. HTML has come a long way since its inception over 3 decades ago. Its evolution has been driven by the need to provide more functionality and improve the user experience. HTML continues to be an essential tool for web development, and it will likely continue to evolve in the years to come.